Here's an awesome strategy on how to make money on YouTube reusing other people's video, and you could start generating $100 to $200 a day doing this. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So here's the thing guys, the best way to generate a ton of traffic online is to post a lot of content online, okay? Because the more content you post, the greater exposure you will get, and the greater exposure you will get, the greater the amount of traffic you'll be able to generate, which will allow you to make money eventually. But the problem with this method is that, you need to create a lot of content. In order to be able to post a lot of content that will generate a lot of traffic for you, you need to create a lot of content, and creating content can take a lot of time, sometimes depending on the platform that you're going for. But for most platforms out there, creating content can take a lot of time. So what if there was a way around this? And this is exactly what we're going to talk about in this video: how to make money on YouTube using other people's video. And we're going to do this step by step. So don't skip this video because you don't want to miss out on this. So if we have a look at some of those videos and YouTube channels that I have opened up here, you will see that on YouTube, if I type in, let's say, TikTok football, you see that there's a lot of highlights and TikTok videos, around the football niche. And as you can see, a lot of those videos do get a ton of views. As you can see, this one here, it got 3.8 million views, and there's a few others here that are also getting a few hundred of thousand views. This one has 1.9 million views. So as you can see, those videos are very easy to create, and basically what they're doing is they're just taking TikTok videos and they are then compiling them together and creating those YouTube videos. Like those videos literally takes like less than a minute to create. All they are doing is just sticking all those TikTok videos together and then creating a 10-minute long video or 15-minute long video. And as you can see, those videos tend to do very well. If we look at this particular channel here, Animal Squad, they've got close to 60,000 subscribers, and basically they post a lot of those content around dogs. Actually, when they started out, they were posting a lot of content about pets in general. As you can see, they have got like cats, they've got like dogs, they got like birds, parrots. They've got a bunch of different pets in here, but lately they've been posting mostly about dogs. And as you can see, they are doing very well with this. If we open one of their video, you will see that they get over 21,000 views every day, close to 634,000 views per month, 20,000 views per day. So they are generating a ton of views and a ton of traffic, basically reposting other people's, reusing other people's video. And he's taking a ton of those TikTok videos and then sticking them together to create those 10-minute long video or 15 minutes long video. And this is something that you can do as well. Simply go and find TikTok videos in a specific niche and then stick them together and create those really high quality YouTube videos. So exactly how you would go about doing something very similar is you would pick a niche that you want to go into, and then find TikTok videos around that niche, and then curate as much viral content that you can find around this particular niche on TikTok, and then pretty much take them and stick them together and create those long format videos. And then once you start generating traffic, you can then redirect that traffic to, let's say, an affiliate offer, for example. So if you've built a page, you've built a YouTube channel where you're compiling football TikTok videos, you can then redirect that traffic to buy football related products like merchandise or something like that. So this is how you would go about doing something similar, where you don't have to create any new content yourself. You're reusing other people's content of TikTok. So let's go into more detail on how to do this step by step. Okay, so step number one is you want to pick a niche. As I've said, you don't want to create those compilation TikTok videos with just about anything. Okay, you want to create YouTube videos off of TikTok, targeting a specific niche, and the reason why is because you are more likely going to be able to sell something that is very specific to that particular traffic. So if you're just making a compilation video about trends on TikTok, you have so many different kinds of people watching those videos, and you won't really know what kind of products you can sell to those people, because people who are going to watch compilation videos about trends can be really anybody. Can be young people, old people. They can be people who have interest in cooking, can be people who are interested in music. So it's too general, and you're going to find very hard to sell something to this particular audience. On the other hand, if you create TikTok videos, if you create YouTube videos from TikTok compilations targeting specific niche, for example the dog niche, you can then sell dog related products to that particular audience, because you know that people that are watching this video are people that are very interested in the dog niche. So step one is to pick a particular niche. Step two now is to find videos that you can use for your compilation video. So how you can do this is obviously to go on TikTok, start following hashtags or channels that are related to your niche, and what's going to happen is TikTok will start showing you more and more videos in your niche, and every now and then you will come across viral content that you can use in your videos. So start following people that are related to your niche on TikTok, and that's how you will find more and more content. Or something else you can do, you can simply go to a particular hashtag related to your niche and find viral content like this. For example, let's say we were in the dog niche, you could simply type in like hashtag dogs, and you will find a bunch of different videos, and you would simply go and find what are the most viral videos that you can start downloading. For example, all those videos, as you can see, get millions and millions of views. So those are definitely videos that you can use in your YouTube video. So once you found your video, step number 3 now is to download those viral videos in order for you to be able to create your YouTube video from. So what you want to do is you want to go to one of those videos. Let's say you want to click on this one, and then you want to copy the link. And then once you've copied the link, you want to go to a website called ttdownloader.com. ttdownloader.com, and simply this is where you're going to download your video. Now you could also download those videos off of TikTok, but if you want to do it off of the computer, you can simply come to a website like this one and simply input your URL in here, and then simply click on get video, and then you'll have the option to download the video without a watermark, with a watermark, or to only download the audio or something else. But what you really want to do is you want to download the video with a watermark, and the reason why I'm saying this is you want the original poster to have credit for his video. You don't want to just take other people's video and repost it on your YouTube channel. You want to give them credit for it, and the best way to give them credit is to leave their username intact on their video. So one advice I would give you is to download those videos with their watermark and not without their watermark. But it's really up to you how you want to go about doing this. So once you've downloaded your videos, step number 4 now is to create your YouTube videos. And how you're going to do this is you could go to a website like canva.com, which is a free online editing and video editing tool where you can create your YouTube videos using those TikTok videos. So what you want to do is you want to click on video here. And once you click on this, you'll be presented with this particular page here. And this is where you're going to build your videos. And what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to add some kind of background. So if we go and watch those videos, you will see that those videos have a black background and the video in the middle. So we'll try and do something similar, but instead of having a black background, let's say we added like a gray one. So let's fit this in here. Let's resize this, make sure it fits the whole video screen. And then what you want to do is you want to duplicate this page, because basically depending on how many videos you are going to stick together and create your YouTube video, you're going to have to create multiple scenes. So if you're downloading, let's say 10 different TikTok videos that you're sticking together, then you will need 10 different scenes here. So just for the sake of example, I'm only going to do for 2 scenes. So this is the first scene, and then we're going to upload our video. So I already uploaded my video just to save time. So let me go to my video library, and those are the 2 videos that I downloaded. So let me click on this one and let's resize it. Just give it a few seconds for it to load, and there it is. That's the first scene. And then for the second one, I'm gonna click this, and we're gonna resize this, make sure it fits the screen. There you go. And those are the two scenes that you would have created. We're just gonna click play to give it a few seconds to play, and then when you start playing, you will see those are the two scenes that we've the two TikTok clips that we've added to this video, and they are going to play. So once you've added your scenes and you've created your your different scenes here, one more thing you can do is you can add like a headline. So for example, we could add this headline here, add a small text. For example, you could say to your audience, check the link in the description, for example. So maybe you will have your affiliate link inside of your description, so you want them to check check the link in the descriptions. So you can have one here, and then simply for the second one you could have one here as well. Let's just put this one here. So you could have some text added to your videos as well, in addition to the videos that you've created. And then once you've created your video, the next step is to simply click on those three dots here and simply download your video. So now that your video is downloaded, step number 5 now is to upload your video to YouTube. Now upload your video. Let's say you've created your 10 minutes long video. Now upload it to YouTube. Add a description, add a thumbnail. You can create a thumbnail on canva.com, and don't forget to add your affiliate link as well if you're promoting somebody else's product in your niche. And then finally, step 6 is to rinse and repeat everything I talked about in this video. You want to repeat this and do this again and again and again and again, and you want to post as many videos as you can, and you want to be very consistent with this particular method. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, because I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.